everyone. This is Satish MD, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, APS Evening College. Today, let us learn determinant of square matrix. Here, matrix means arrangement of numbers into rows and columns. That is systematic arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. And determinant of square matrix means determinant of a matrix is a number that is associated with a square matrix and it is denoted by det A. Determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of square matrix is denoted by det A. That is, it should be written in two parallel lines. Within just two parallel lines, if we write A, then it is understood that it is a determinant of square matrix. That means we need to find out det A. These two parallel lines, and between that whatever A is mentioned, it is called as determinant A or det A. In short form, it is called as det A. So now let us know how to solve determinant of square matrix. As we know that square matrix means wherein there will be equal number of rows and equal number of columns. See, for example, in case of two rows and two columns, see, there are two rows and two columns. Rows in the sense that horizontal line. Here, see here, 1 and 2 is one row and 3 and 4 is another row. So therefore there are two rows. And when it comes to columns means the vertical lines, that is 1, 3, 2 and 4. See, in case of two rows and two columns, this is a square. So using this, if a problem says that to find out det A or determinant of square matrix, determinant A, then first and foremost thing what we should do is positional signs of determinants are plus, minus, and plus. See, once again listen here, plus, minus, and plus. So this is compulsory, we need to understand and we need to take in the same manner, plus, minus as well as plus. Now let us know how to find out det A. It is very simple in case of 2 into 2, that is two rows and two columns. Whenever there is two rows and two columns, it is very simple to find out det A. That is, just you need to cross multiply this, that is 1 and 4. Here it is plus into plus is plus. Therefore 1 into 4 minus, always we should minus 2 into 3, that is minus into minus, once again it becomes plus. So therefore 2 into 3. So 1 into 4 is 4 minus 2 3s are 6. If we simplify this, we are going to get as minus 2. Here minus 2 is nothing but det A. Just once again see this problem wherein just what we have done only cross multiplication. Just we have cross multiplied it, 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. So 1 into 4 is 4 minus 2 into 3 is 6. So therefore det A equals minus 2. That's it. So now let us see, take one more example for 2 into 2, that is two rows and two columns. See, A equals 3, 5, 2 and 4. Now they have asked to find out det A. Now we need to find out det A using this element. We need to find out det A. Here, as I said you, just we need to cross multiply. Det A equals, see what I have done is 3 into 4 cross multiplication, then 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. Anyhow we have to just multiply, cross multiply. Therefore 3 into 4 minus, as I said you, always we need to minus 5 into 2. So therefore 3 4s are 12 minus 5 2s are 10. So therefore the answer is det A equals 2. Answer is det A equals 2. So this is in case of two rows and two columns. But whenever there is three rows and three columns, here whenever there is three rows and three columns, that is, for example, A equals 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 1. Whenever there is three rows and three columns, here there are three rows, three horizontal lines, therefore it is called as row. One row, two rows and three rows. And columns is nothing but vertical wise. So 1 2 and 3, there are equal number of rows and columns. How many? That is 3 into 3. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Whenever the problem gives you 3 rows and 3 columns, then how to find out det A? Find out det A. Find out det A. As I said you, whenever any within the two parallel lines, if they mention it as A, then it means that we need to find out the determinant of square matrix, that is det A. Det A we need to find out. See, when it comes to three rows and three columns, the positional signs of a determinant are, here it will be like plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. We should always remember this part. The first element will start with plus, second element is minus, third one is plus. Once again, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. We need to remember this. Always we need to remember this. Using this, now let us find out how to solve or how to find out det A, determinant of square matrix, in case of three rows and three columns. So now let us solve this three rows and three columns problems, that is to find out det A, nothing but determinant of square matrix. So as I have already mentioned, already taken an example, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 1. So let me write down once again to find out det A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 and 1. So please observe this. I have taken the same problem. A equals, or determinant A. Using this, we need to find out det A. There are three rows and three columns. Now it's very simple to find out, but as I said you, we need to remember these signs. That is, for the first element it should be always plus, then for the second element it should be always minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So first row and the last row it will be same, plus, minus, plus. But in case of second row, it starts from minus, plus, minus. I will tell you why you need to remember this sign. See, now first and foremost thing what we should do is, we need to take the first row. Here I am taking the first row as the basis. To find out det A. First row as the basis to find out det A. First row is 1, 2 and 3. Now if I take first row, then the first element is 1. Let me take as 1. 1, here it is plus. So for the first element it is plus. See here, once again I am going to write those signs here also. It will be a plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now let us start. So as I said, I have taken first element and first row 1. Once you take this, as in case of 2 rows and 2 columns, you did cross multiplication. In the same manner, here also you should do the cross multiplication. But how in the sense, I have already taken the first row, that is first row, first element as 1. Now let me close this first row, let me close this, as well as first column also I have closed. First row as well as first column is closed. So now leftover elements are 5, 6, 3 as well as 1. 5, 6, 3 as well as 1. So let me write that 5, 6, 3 and 1. So first element I have taken. After taking the first element, I have closed the first row as well as the first row. I have closed the first row as well as the first column. Then as per this, when you now what I should do is, now I should take the second element of first row. Second element is 2. So here the 2 starts with minus sign. Therefore I should take minus. Now second element is 2. Let me write down 2. And now what I am doing is, I am closing this column. I am closing this column as well as I am closing this row. That is the row in which the second element is located. I am closing this. I am closing this. Now the leftover elements are 4, 6, 2 and 4. See, I have taken second element 2. After taking that, I have closed that particular column. The respective column I have closed, as well as the respective row have closed that. So the balance leftover elements are 4, 6, 2 and 1. Let me write down those elements: 4, 6, 2 and 1. After this, the next what we should do is plus. Now let me take the third element. Third element is how much? 3. Now I am taking 3. So therefore I am closing this column, the third column as well as the first row. Now the leftover element is 4, 5, 2 and 3. Let me write down 4, 5, 2 and 3. 2, 4, 5, 2 and 3. So now what we should do is, now we need to multiply. That is, we need to cross multiply this. So to cross multiply, let us start with 1. So 5 into 1 minus 6 into 3 then minus, let us close this, minus 2. Once again cross multiplication, 4 into 1 minus 6 into 2. Then once again plus 3. Once again cross multiplication, 4 into 3 minus 5 into 2. 5 into 2. See, very simple. Just I have done the cross multiplications. That's it. So now let us simplify this. 1 into 5 ones are 5 minus 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18 minus 2. 4 ones are 4 minus 6 twos are 12. plus 4 3s are 12 minus 5 2s are 10. Now let us simplify this. 1 into 5 minus 18. 5 minus 18 is, here this value 18 has got the greater sign, therefore plus into minus is minus, therefore minus 13. Minus 13 minus, here we are going to write down 2, then 4 minus 12. Once again here also plus into minus is minus, so 4 minus 12, it comes to 8, minus 8, then plus 3, then plus into minus is minus, here 12 minus 10, it is 2, plus 2, because 12 is having the, that is this plus 12 is higher than the 10, therefore plus 2. Now let us simplify. So now let us multiply this. 1 into minus 13. 1 into minus 13. Plus into minus is minus. 1 13s are 13. Then here minus into minus is plus. 2 8s are 16. Here plus into plus is plus. So therefore 3 2s are 6. Now let us simplify this. Minus 13 plus 16 plus 6. Here it is nothing but minus 13 plus 16 plus 6 is 22. Therefore plus into minus is minus. Minus 13 plus 22 comes to minus 13 plus 22 is 9, plus 9, because this 22 is has a greater value, therefore 9. Therefore det A equals 9. Det A is 9. So here in this problem I have taken first row as the basis. Now you can take the second row as the basis also. Instead of first row, you can take second row as the basis, and in the same manner you can simplify this and find out det A, wherein you will get the same answer. Either you can take first row or second row or third row. If you take second row, then same thing you should know. That is, if you take second row, that is minus 4, sorry 4, then first you need to take the 4 and the respective column as well as the row should be closed. Respective column and row should be closed and the remaining element should be taken. Then in the same manner in the same row, second row, if we take second element as 5, we should write down 5 and close this column as well as the row. Close this column as well as the row. Then the balance is 1, 3, 2 and 1. Then when it comes to last minus 6, that is 6, then close this, the column as well as the row, and the leftover is 1, 2, 2 and 3. After which you need to cross multiply and then find out det A.